Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you how to make a cappuccino using the Dolce Gusto coffee machine. So first thing you've got is fire up the machine, obviously, and that'll blink red for about 40 seconds. And after that, we'll get to it. If you're wondering, that's just my dog outside. Alright, there we go, it's all ready to go. So, first part is the milk one. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars here. We get that loaded up. Get that under there, and let's do it. And that will do me there, so now I'll just get this loaded up into here. I'll get that into there, and I've done that plastic pod recycling bag video in another video. You can look that up on my channel. Now for the other coffee, so it's just 1 bar on this one. And there you go, that's 1 perfect cappuccino right there. As you can see, that does look really, really nice. And that's how I like it. So, hope you've enjoyed that video, and make sure to tune in for another elevator video. Just over half an hour's time. I'll see you for that. Bye for now.